Well, here's our Kestrel, and on the wire he was preening up. He heard some crows. So it made him alert. He just bobbing his tail, sitting there right next to the empty field looking for insects, grasshoppers and such, and some mice. Oh yeah, he's going to continue preening up. Let's see what he does here. Oh yeah. Look at this guy. It's a little male here. He's been hanging around for a while. Also a female around. This guy is listening to those crows. He's got to pay close attention. He's alert. Nice little dots there, dark spots on his chest. It's an adult. Male Kestrel. We're down by the Boeing Aerospace pond. He's checking everything. Now, there he goes. Gonna preen up some more. We like that. See what he's gonna do here. He's staying busy now. Oh, look at the markings around his eyes. My goodness, what a beautiful bird. There he goes. He's after something.